If you want a simple way to plan your day visually, one of the best productivity tricks is using Todoist for time blocking. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Todoist to turn tasks into real calendar blocks so you can organize your day, protect focus time, and see everything at a glance. This is especially useful if you're trying to stop overloading your schedule and start planning your work in a much more realistic way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to turn on the calendar view in Todoist. Keep in mind that this feature is available on the Pro and Business plans, so if you don't see it yet, that may be the reason. Once you open the Todoist app, look at the left sidebar and click either Today or Upcoming. These views are the easiest starting point because they show your tasks in a way that works well with time blocking. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the View icon. This is the icon that looks like slider controls. Once you click it, you should see layout options such as List, Board, and Calendar. Change the layout from List or Board to Calendar. As soon as you do this, Todoist will switch into a visual calendar-style layout, which makes it much easier to drag tasks into time slots and build a structured daily plan. Now comes the really useful part. Todoist allows you to create time blocks using natural language, which means you don't need to manually set everything up one by one. Instead, you can simply type a task with a time phrase, and Todoist will automatically understand the duration. To do this quickly, press Q on your keyboard to open the task creation bar. This is a fast shortcut that saves time whenever you want to add a new task. In the task field, type your task name followed by the time block information. For example, you could type deep work 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. When you enter something like that, Todoist recognizes the start and end time and turns it into a 2-hour block. This is a great way to reserve focused work sessions, meetings, admin time, or anything else that needs to happen at a specific point in your day. After typing the task, press enter to save it. Once it's saved, the task will instantly appear on your calendar view as a physical block. That means instead of seeing just a simple to-do item, you'll see a real scheduled chunk of time. This makes it much easier to understand how your day is actually filling up, and it helps prevent you from stacking too many tasks into the same time period. If you want to make your time blocking even more powerful, you can connect Todoist with Google Calendar. This is especially helpful if you want to see your tasks alongside your existing meetings and appointments. With two-way sync, your calendar events and Todoist tasks can work together in one place, which gives you a much clearer overview of your schedule. To set that up, click your avatar in the top left corner and go to Settings. Inside Settings, select the Integrations tab. From there, locate Google Calendar and click Connect Calendar. Todoist will then guide you through the connection process. You can choose to sync a specific Todoist project, or you can sync your entire account depending on how you want to manage your schedule. This is where time blocking becomes really useful. For example, you can create tasks for focused work, breaks, content creation, emails, or planning sessions, then place them directly into your calendar-based workflow. Instead of hoping you'll get to everything, you're assigning a time to each important task. That makes your plan more realistic, more visible, and much easier to follow throughout the day. A quick tip, try using consistent labels or task names for repeating activities. For example, you might use names like admin block, writing block, or review block. This makes it easier to scan your calendar and instantly understand what each block is for. It also helps you build a repeatable routine that you can use every week. Another good habit is to leave some buffer time between blocks. If you schedule every minute of the day, your plan can become hard to follow. Small gaps give you room to reset, handle interruptions, or move tasks around if needed. That flexibility is one of the biggest benefits of using Todoist for time blocking instead of trying to manage everything in your head. So to quickly recap, turn on Calendar View, use the View icon to switch to Calendar, press Q create time-based tasks, type your task with a time range like 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and save it to see it appear as a block. If you want even more visibility, connect Google Calendar through settings and integrations so your tasks and meetings stay in sync. And that's how to use Todoist for time blocking. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.